Okay, our first night in a caravan. Sorry for the late video, but the birthday boy is a bit busy. Hello, Laila. The mom sis are a bit busy, so this is the photo booth.
When I first saw you, close my eyes and the flashback songs, I'm standing there.
Oh, look at the dog scene.
Come on, let's see. Oh, vlogging the vlogger. Busy sa titagan, no? I'm your
So, the all due respect, the last one absolutely gorgeous. This No, that one white. That white.
Where's Charles? Sleeping?
So close your eyes. Let's keep this down for a little while. Oh, wow. The little started. Everything to me.
Takupin mismo yun. I'm you, my princess. I'm your.
Where are we?
We are in Hopton Holiday Village. Celebrate Tita Lore's birthday and my birthday.
Yay!
And we're having a barbecue later on.
So making the barbecue.
Yes.
Guys, if you want to come,
10 pounds
join
per
us.
stick. Yeah. Is it cheap? Yeah.
Join us, guys, if you want to come.
Yes. You are all
Everyone's welcome.
You are all welcome.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to
to
Tita
me.
Lori
Yay!
and to myself. But my birthday was yesterday.
Still happy birthday, Pop.
Oh, happy.
And then,
Happy na birthday pa. Right?
Apa,
Yeah.
for sure. And then let's go. And here they're making some chicken. Mama, say hi.
Chicken, hello.
Tita, hi. Hello. Very, very busy. And this is the decorations from yesterday. Very pretty.
Wow. Good.
And say hi, guys.
Hello.
Hello. And then end the shot here. As you can see, our caravans are really close to each other. This is number 11. And if we just walk a few more steps following Rosie, say hi, Rosie. Number 14 is the other caravan. Hello, Bob. Say hi. Oh, but hiya.
Happy birthday, Lori!
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Apa, hello.
Happy birthday.
that live?
Ah, hindi pa. Just
Don't forget to subscribe then. Don't forget to press the notification bell. Like and subscribe.
Yeah!
What's the name of the YouTube channel?
Arnold Kadak. Yeah. At the thing. Yeah.
Right, good luck.
And more cooking here. Yay!
Spring roll. Maybe you want to try.
Oh, but.
Spring roll.
Are you going to the arcade?
Oh, but maybe later. Apa.
Aba, isang tolyosing seafood to ah. Ito po, busy-busy ang aking wifey. Nagluluto ng seafoods. May bisita kami, special guest, Ate Elbe.
Hello. Hindi special.
VIP. Perek.
Hi! Nandito na naman kami sa holiday.
Hi guys. Ito. Ay nagbabarbecue dito sa aming caravan. Special guest from Colchester.
We are, how they call it, tinatago namin.
Tapos nabisita kaming Canadian doon, no? Toronto. Siguraduhin nyo masarap yung barbecue ha.
Sigurado.
Bakit hindi sasarap yung kasamang nat?
Masarap talaga.
Baka nagkukulang ito. Pero masarap pa ha. Tikman ko nga. Pre, kasama niyo.
Okay. What's happening on here? I'm back!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, tita! Ito, kulang pa yung handa. Masarap?
Hindi ko malasahan eh. Paano ba to? Ano bang kailangan dito? Tikman pa kami natin kung ano lasa.
Tinitikman ko hindi na niya.
Hindi kasi pa kami blended, kaya kailangan
Ang dalang bigas ay
ako.
isang 10 kilos.
Ang dala ni natitong bigas 10 kilos.
Baka maubusan ng kanin eh. Empanada.
Masarap, paborito na.
Paborito.
Arne. Empanada.
Empanada galing sa Canada.
Papuntang Canada.
Papuntang Canada pala, mali.
Ito dapat to, banlawan.
Pala.
Babalawan yung ano. Teka.
Hindi pa rin luto yan.
Binabali-baligtad ko. Kasi yung kanyang... Kasi yung ilalim.
Hindi pa luto.
Ito na. Kailangan babalik na. Pinapain na lang. Tapon na. Ikaw, hindi mo nalalagay yan? Happy birthday.
Ito.
Tap, pasensya ka na sa kayanan ko ha.
Ay, na-touch naman ako. Dami naman
Ang hirap pa
yan.
yung hulihin ito.
Ikaw naguli na isda? Oo. Nako.
Hello, tita. Ang magdamag.
Ba, partner kami ni Ate Son ng damit Bulak natin
May happy birthday na eh. Ay, lagay natin sa harap. Ansin ko na ito.
ilang panahuli mo. Ha? Ilang panahuli mo? Aba. Kayo nakanganak, alam mo yung nasukol. Kaya pala natin lang dito nagre-ring. Oo. Kaya tinatawanan ko eh.
Sabi ko nagre-ring, ano ko?
Ito po ang aming handa.
siya, pusok na ang camera. Tayo na.
Naghahanap yung mga yan.
Pwede ka pasundo yun, mga yun? Sino bang may... Si Charlotte siguro.
Seafood may takip kasi may mga langaw.
Nandito ang telepon.
Si Kuya, tawagan si Kuya.
Kuya, nandyan. Nakita na naman sila ng food. 2 minutes daw kasi. 2 minutes daw kasi.
Ito ang birthday celebrant ngayon. Happy birthday to you. Sige.
Ampon!
Happy birthday. Yeah. Yan ang mother-in-law.
Nice. Thank you.
Madam.
Sister pala. Ayan, nagkakagulo na po. Hindi na alam kung anong unang kakainin. Ayan. Video muna natin. Sila. Hindi tayo kakasya lahat. Ako ang vlogger. Vlogger.
Siya pa dito. Hindi ko parang si...
Vlogger.
Sabi mo lahat kasi nagpipicture. Hindi na.
Kuya Erickson. Kuya.
Nagkakagulo. Nagkakagulo.
Kahit ano.
Ayan, sa pagsasama-samang muli at salamat po sa lahat ng biyayang itong kaloob. Amen.
Happy birthday.
The celebrant and to the family, entire family, our friends' family. Yes,
Yeah, boy.
happy birthday. We will sing
Candle. Hindi na, tapos na ako. Ikaw na lang. Tapos. Happy birthday. Mali. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to... Ikaw naman tita. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to... Okay, one more. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ang saya-saya. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Manganta yun. It's finished already. Yes, last night. Yes. It's your day. Mine last night. Yeah.
to us and to our family, and to our friends, and to their families too.
Amen.
And also, Lord, bless us to have a continued healing, so we can be with our kids and see them growing and be successful, and the bonding and happy family.
Okay, thank you.
Safe and keep their good health, keep safe and happiness. That's
Thank
all.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, yeah. Happy tayo ngayon. Happy. Okay. Oh, eat now. Okay. Help yourself, girls.
They were really nice.
What's the taste? Good.
The hair.
You going there? Yeah. Okay.
Buti pa. Kasi maraming dito.
Kaya na po ka dito. Did you try, Kuya?
Ano masasabi nyo? Ano masasabi nyo sa luto ko?
Sarap!
Sarap.
Energy.
Dito, ano masasabi nyo sa handa namin ni Tita Lore? Yeah, enjoy. Naginom na ba kayo ng inyong pang kolesterol dyan? Oy, huwag niyong kalimutan yung pang kolesterol. Atorvastatin, simvastatin. Oh, that looks nice.
Tapos namatay. No, pag namatay dito, tapos na. Yeah, I know.
Happy birthday to me. Someone is...
I know it was in your pocket. Lying.
Whose phone is missing? Because you, where did you left it? Where did you left it? No, Tita Agan found it, right? Oh.
I know you were lying.
I'm trying to call you. I called to ate. I called to ate Charlotte. I know you. I know your phone and ate Alay.
Sabi ko na kaya ayoko i-alok muna eh. Dahil mapapahiya pa kayo eh.
Welcome to my vlog.
Sa plug yun, parang sa amin.
Hybrid.
Parang sa amin,
Self
hindi siya plug in.
self charge. Oh.
Nakarating ako dito na.
At least just you live in the
Liverpool at Liverpool.
yes, yes.
Dito, Arnel, saan po kayo?
Kaya nga eh, tayo wala eh.
Kuya, napitas ko ng maaga. Sabi ko, ano pa, mura pa?
Bakit?
Total na kalaan, dilaw. Mura pa yan.
Napitas
Mura
ko nga na maaga.
Mura yan. Kasi yung buto niya,
Eh, sabi ko si Ate Son magaling magluto ng
yan ang
gulay.
dilaw, di ba?
Ah.
Yung nasa bahay ko, nasa bahay.
Dilaw.
Nasa bahay, bili mo.
Oo.
Si Ate Sol, yung isa, pinitas siya, kala niya yung bulok na. Hello, ay di, meron yan, ganyan kalaki na.
Lalaki pa ito.
Malaki pa yan.
Kaya nga sabi ko lalaki pa pala dahil.
Welcome to my vlog.
Tanim mo yan, pare.
Ang laki naman yan.
Hindi, kaya kami nagtagal pa na isa eh. Yung kalahati sana yung lulutuin namin at dadalhin namin
Sa
dito.
bahay,
Ah.
ganyan, kasamahan.
Para ano natin tinanim to, yung buwan? Free.
Three boys.
Para ano man tayo nagtanim? May na. Yun na.
Alam ko mga 120 days yan.
Alam mo ba ang nangyari? Akala namin tinanggal niya.
Hello. I've been asked to video. It's part of the vlog. Hello.
Hawakan mo. Para ang dilaw. Ate. Wala ka ano ko.
kulay ng damit.
Naloloko niyo ko. Bilang ay talaga naman.
Kaya pa kami nagtagal.
Bakit ka? Galo. Ay, thank you po.
Hindi ko mag-iipupo niyan.
Sinurprise tayo ni...
Tayo din.
Kaya nga eh.
Pero wala pa rin eh. Hindi pa rin bawas eh. Kaya
Ang wala lang ikakain, maraming handa. Ang wala lang ikakain.
parehas tayo ng kinain pre, munggo sa akin. Munggo rin, sabi ko, nagdala ng munggo. Tuloy, hindi ako kumain ng iba po tayo munggo.
Ito nga kuya, depilay kong pilay na ulit. Ganyan. Wala ko, hindi ka marunong. Yeah. Answer.
Yan lang ang
Yeah.
yan lang ganyan lang alam niya.
Ganyan.
Ito na yung luto na.
Only one word.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. You're in YouTube. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Yeah. More birthdays to come. More. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'll get the cake there in the middle. Oh, one more. Happy birthday.
Thank you for the friendship and everything.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Yay! Okay, blow the candle, tita. Make a wish. It's coming, it's coming.
Ay, please enjoy the
Work at Tita Ate LB as well. Oh! Hooray! Hooray! Cheers! Look at that! See you. I took a picture as well here, Tita. I will tag you. I will tag you. I'll tag you. Sige, I'll take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. One more on yours. Okay. Nakabigyo na yan.
Oh, hello. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, yay!
Thank you. More tequila to come.
Hi, Tito! Tito, ito po. 4 years, good head.
Thank you.
420 years.
tayo doon.
Luwis to.
Sarap the weather. We are in Cornwall. Ah. Sarap pala rito sa Cornwall, pare. Oo. Ganda ng view. Oo. Kaya lang, long drive. Baka mahulog tayo rito, pare. Ha? Delikado rito. Dapat may barrier pa. May nagtulakan dito. Next project natin, pre. Sabi natin kay engineer. Oo.
Oo, malapit ka na. Sarap ba?
Hindi, naka-video naman eh. May ebidensya. Boom! Ayun. Yan, may nakrabbing.
Pasok, oh, pasok na naman. Kuha na, ilan na? 3 points na lang. 3 points.
Oh, thank you. What's that?
Hello.
Halo. Oh.
Hello, what are you making?
Making hello. You know what that is?
We're making halo. It's so yummy.
Yummy.
Sarap!
Thank you. It's our one way of
10
saying
pounds.
it's so sweet.
10 pounds.
So can you say which one's which?
So this is the corn with the jackfruit and all the fruits. Fruit cocktail pala. This is the melon, you know, the melon, the watermelon, the orange melon. And then the jackfruit. That is very sweet. And then another corn, the ones. And this is the nata de cocoa. And the nata de cocoa. And this is the jelly with a buku. Oh my gosh, this is already too much for flavor. Okay, and then we put rice, ice pala. Put the ice on top, put the milk after that, and then you put the ube and the leche plant.
It will look like that one.
Yes, that's the finished end product. Gotcha?
Perfect. And then we'll step inside. And this is where the ice is.
There you go.
Go this way. No, there, over there.
What's that?
Oh, yeah.
Mom wants to go to hot air balloon. Wow. And then we can try and catch up to it over there.
I think further on.
That's okay. We saw a good part of it
I think this done.
and we could go back
Go back, careful.
without trying to trip, you know?
Yeah, let's try not to trip.
And later on, where are we going, Lele?
Back to the Hello Hello station. Hello Hello station.
Hello, hello.
I need some ice.
Mix, mix. And say bye.
Bye.
Bye. As you can see, there's a parachutist.
Okay, ma'am. Right. Ito po mga kasama natin nag-swim sila sa beach. Yan, nalalamig na sila. Nalalamig na sila, nalalamig na. So, nalalamig na. May paparazzi rito pa rin, paparazzi. Oh, lamig-lamig na. Ayan, kami po'y good morning. Kami po'y pauwi na ngayon. At kailangan na ubusin yung mga stocks kaso parang
Balik ulit.
oo, naghalo-halo si Tita Lori. Galing hair salon yung magkapatid. Nagpakulot ng buhok. Biglang tinaggala. Hello, Tita.
Oh, yan. Init. Yan, may ano pa pala.
Nagpakulay ata ng buhok eh.
Salon, during the holiday.
Nagpasala.
Sayang po, shampoo.
Sa dami dyan. Sa Tesco.
Hair salon ha, hair salon.
Ikaw yung hoodie. Para hindi mabasa. Hello, Tita Agan. Good morning.
Good morning po.
Tayo'y uwi na kaso marami pang kailangan ubusin. Kaya kailangan ubusin. Extended pa sa Norwich ata.
Ganun? Ay, kaso hindi na po kayo pwede makasama maka-extend sa inyo kasi may pasok na.
May pasok na. May pasok din ako ah.
Appointment yan.
extend tayo nito.
Hindi ako mapasok eh. May happas man ako meeting.
Gabi ka pa.
Hindi, may happas man ako meeting sa school.
Meeting?
Oo, may meeting.
Ayan, nandiyan ang manager.
May meeting din. Ako na mag-meeting sa'yo. Anong kailangan? Anong kailangan i-meeting natin?
Parang kasi bagong, ano ba?
Bago rules.
Bagong management ba? Bagong,
Nandiyan yung mga inaanak mo lahat eh.
ibang school na mga yan eh. Ibang school ko. Ibang manager ba? Parang ibang ano.
May naghalo-halo.
Kaya,
At sabihin mo, kain na tayo. Tawagin mo na sila. Wow, almusal namin. Yan lang yung tira namin. Tira-tira na yan. Kaso,
ay, ang dami na ate. Ang dami na.
Ano yan?
Ang dami na. Ang dami na yun.
nas,
Ay, pwede ulit sa Mercury yan. Pwede pa sa Mercury yan.
para saan ba yan? Sahog? Halo-halo? Ay, sasahog niyo sa halo-halo eh.
Hindi na pala magamit. Meron pa akong isa doon sa Merkulis. Madali lang ay 2 minutes. 2 minutes ano.
Ito, kailangan.
Ama.
Ayaw na ninyong dalhin.
Putukin niyo yan.
Kaya ako sa kutsilyo. Gusto ko dito, isang kutsilyo.
Wala na ang ano eh. Wala.
Kung gusto lang ginadaan ko na yan din eh. Dito na kumuha.
You have 1 hour more to go.
Parang hindi na yata pwede yung kalabasa.
Kaya nga, nalamoy ko eh.
Ulit pa ba sir?
Pero walang nagkumalaw.
Bumulak na, bumulak.
Bumulak na. Wala na lang kumalaw. Nang pagkani wala ito noon. Tapos lang yung
Ayan. Pack time. Mga impacto. Mag-impake na. Armanda, Arman. Car coming. Neil, car. Happy na birthday pa.
Sabi mo sa caravan, I'll do it.
This is how they do it. Teret.
Pero nung pinili pala, hindi na
Hindi pala naka-on yung video. Hindi naka-on. Nagkuha ko rito.
Picture tayo na isa dito.
Wala pala.
Hello Charles, how are you? Long time no see.
just arrived.
Enjoy the bread so much, huh?
Smile.
That's why you call holiday.
So how does everyone feel? We're leaving now. How does everyone feel?
Thank you for everything. Thank you for a good bonding.
Yes.
Smile. 1, 2.